Hello friends, my name is Tushar Parya. I'm a certified pyramid Vastu expert, and in today's video we are going to see that how you can make a very powerful pyramid card or a pyra card for you. These cards comes for a different purpose, uh, for your wealth, your money, your relationship, your health, any problem that you're facing. You can make a different cards and start using it. In today's video we are going to make a card for money and finance. Okay, so this is the card for money and finance. This is a pyra card. Okay, and this is a new brand card. I'll just open up and show you. So this has one leaf, and there is one powerful copper pyramid plate along with a crystal. So this is what you get when you pick up a pyramid yantra or a pyra card yantra. Okay, so we are just going to understand that how you can make pyra vastu, pyra card for your finance and money. Okay, so you'll need some of the items to start making your pyra card. Okay, you can take uh, different color pens. You can take one green pen, one red pen. This is very important. You will need one DVD, CD or DVD marker pen, which is red in color. This is important. You will require one your passport size photo. Okay, so you'll need one passport size photo. Definitely a pyra card, and these are called as pharma stickers. This comes along with the pyra card. You'll need one fevistick as well. Okay, fevistick glue stick. This is what you need. Now before we proceed to make it, what do you need is you will have to start making your loshu grid. Okay, so loshu grid is something like this. It has a 9 boxes. Now what you have to do is you need to take out your missing numbers from your birth date. So for example, I'll take my birth date. My birth date is on 13th September 1980. Okay, and I'll have to start filling these numbers into my Loshu grid. So number 1 goes here, then number 3 goes here, number 9 goes here, then I have repetition of number 1, then I have number 1 again. So 2 number 1 has come, then number 8 is coming. So number 8 goes here. Okay, now what I have to do is I have to make total of this number. So 1 plus 3 is 4. So this is one number which I'll have to fill. So whatever date you are born on, that number you'll have to total up and then you put it here. Okay, if you want to understand where this numbers are going exactly, you can just go to any YouTube video or in Google and understand how the Loshu grid numbers are placed. So 4 9 2 is put in the first row, then 3 5 7 is put in the second row, and 8 1 6 is put in third row. Then you have to total up the entire number of your birth date. So 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 9 is 13, 13 plus 1 is 14, 14 plus 9 is again 23, 23 plus 8, 23 plus 8 is 31. So the total of my birth date is coming 31. That also adds up to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Okay, so this is also 4 number, but I have already written 4 here. So that anyways, I'll write it down with a red. Okay, now if you see in my grid, this is where the number is missing, this is where the number is missing, this is where the number is missing, and this is where the number is missing. Okay, so based on my Loshu grid, I am understanding that where all my numbers are missing. Now in this block, generally the 2 number is placed. In this block 7 number is placed, and in this block 6 number is placed, and in this block 5 number is placed. So I have 4 numbers missing. What I have to do is I just need to take pyra card. Okay, I need to take pyra card, and if you see, I've already stuck the stickers here. Now whenever you are sticking the stickers, you need to be very careful that in this sticker there is a red triangle on the top here. If you see, there is a red triangle. So always make sure. Okay, I'm just trying to show you. Yeah, if you can see here, so the red triangle is in the top. Whenever you are sticking, always make sure that it is on the upper side of it. So exactly like how my grids are missing, so four numbers are missing, I have stuck this sticker. Now after sticking this, you need to take a pen, which is a OHP or a CD marker, and there's a circle in the middle. Do you see this? There's a circle in the middle. So what you need to do is you just need to go ahead and fill this circle with a a red OHP marker. Now what we are doing is we are activating this Pyra card. So I have done this. I have filled the center circle here. Now after filling, what I have to do is I just need to turn the Pyra card. Now if you see here, it's written here, there's a gold plate here, and your photograph, there's a place for your photograph. So you need to just turn it around, take a Fevistick, take your photo and stick it in this place given. Okay, so I'm just sticking it here. If you see it here, I'm just sticking my photograph right behind the card. Okay, so there is a position given here. Since now photo is put up, it is half personalized, and once you make this grid, it's kind of 33% personalized. When you put your photo, another 33% is personalized, and then now you have to do signature here. Okay, so since this is a glossy card, I always suggest that you use marker pen, which is a thin marker pen, and I'm just going to sign it here. Now let me sign. I have signed. Okay, so now my card is ready to use. Just turning it and putting it here gently. Let me slide it. I'm sliding it inside. I'm sliding it here. And then okay, so yeah, this is done. So now my Pyra card is absolutely ready. My Pyra card is absolutely ready. Now the next step is pretty simple. Since this Pyra card is ready, you have already personalized it. You can see it. I've put my photograph and I've signed it. This is personalized. Now what you need to do is you need to activate it. So as we did it in a money yantra or a pyramid, money pyramid yantra, you again have to rub your hand and bring the energy from the universe. There's a warmth coming in your hand. Okay, that's energy. Again, put a left hand on the lower side. Put a Pyra card on top of the hand like this. Put your hand. Remember your mother. Remember your father. Remember all your ancestors. And remember the energy or a god you believe in. And activate this Pyra card and say that my money is growing every day. Thank you for making my fortune better. You always need to affirm in a positive way, and you need to affirm as if your fortune or your money issues have been taken care of already. You don't have to say that please make my fortune better or something. You need to believe it and you need to affirm in a positive way and say that thank you for making my money and fortune better, and my money and fortune becoming better every day. So you need to repeat this affirmation 15 times and do this every day, and at least you'll see things are changing within few days. Okay, but effective results you will see at least after 80 to 90 days. Okay, whatever goal that you set, you can set a goal. You can set a goal and just affirm your goal along with the Pyra card, and I'm sure that you'll get your goal achieved. So just subscribe my channel for this kind of tips and tools every time. Press on the bell button, so every time I'm making new videos, you'll get a notification. This is Tushar Paria, Pyramid Vastu expert, signing off. Thank you so much.